Yeah, Lordship, I beg to mention one WPC 4080/23 for listing of 4080/23 on Friday, Lordship. Motion matter, Lordship.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May please, your Lordship. Yes. Lordship, the petitioner declared foreigner to stop 71, my lord. My lord, kindly come to the page, my lord, 17. If the registrar sealed it in the favor of the grandfather of the petitioner, my lord. Page 17. 1 minute. 17. Name of the grandfather Said Ali Mia, son of late Mahatar Ali Mia. In the village.
Shama, have you got a report from the
No, Lordship. I have only made the communication on 12/8/2023, Lordship.
Oh.
But till that, I have not received any report, Lordship.
This court wanted a report from you.
Yes, Lordship. 1 week time may be allowed.
Okay, heard Mr.
F.A. Hassan.
F.A. Hassan, then comes for the petitioner. On request made by Mr. G. Sharma, then it's standing counsel FT. List the matter after 1 week to enable him to produce the report, the inquiry report from the Superintendent of Police within Bracket Border, Bongaigaon, as directed by this court on 7/8/2023. Please approve 1 week. Bless.
2.
Yes, please.
Already the petitioner is in interim bail, my lord. After getting the interim, my lord, he appeared before the SP border, my lord, and he was allowed to go on bail, my lord. And today, my lord, LCR has been received, my lord.
LCS have received.
Yes, my lord.
But why is it coming for motion?
Without mistakenly, my lord.
Notice was
my
issued,
lord.
isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
No, I think notice has been issued.
Notice was issued on 31/7.
Yes,
Then it should come for admission.
yes.
On request made by the parties. List the matter after 2 weeks in the admission column.
In the admission column.
Yeah.
Alright. Interim may be continued.
Or interim is
Yes, my lord.
absolute. It's absolute, no need for continuation. Yes, absolute. Oh, we listed for hearing.
Yes, Lordship. New matter,
Yeah,
Lordship.
yeah.
It can be listed, Lordship. In due course of hearing, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
In the meantime, interim may be absolute.
Heard Mr. So.
Yes, Islam.
Also heard Mr. G. Sharma and the standing counsel FT. LCS have been received. List the matter for hearing in its usual course.
There is an interim order, my lord, that may be continued.
Interim is already
Yes,
there.
yes. Obviously.
3. Admission.
Yes.
My lord, by the order 26/12/2016, I have been declared as a foreigner, my lord.
1 minute.
Page 27, my lord.
1 minute. 1 minute.
I think LCR, I think.
LCR. Yes,
Yes, my lord, my name is Abdul Quddus and my father name is Nabi Hussain. The first document that I am relying, my lord, is page 14, annexure 2. My name appeared in the voter list of 1965, my lord. Serial 3, house number 67.
Abdul Qudus.
Abdul Quddus, father Nabi Hussain, my lord.
Mm.
Thereafter, my lord, page 16, 16. It is for the year 1970, my lord, for the same village.
Mm.
My lord, page 14 for Salkati Pathar. My lord will find page 16, Salkati Pathar on the top, and then serial number 67149, Abdul Quddus, father Nabi Hussain, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, page 31, 31, my lord,
3-1.
31, my lord. Annexure 5. My name Abdul Quddus, serial number 105, house number 44, Abdul Quddus, father of Nabi Hussain, page 58, my lord. Before I go ahead further, my lord, my respectful prayer will be, my lord, these are not certified copy we have annexed in the petition, my lord, before my learned friend comes in picture. So at this stage, admittedly, my lord, I am the son of Nabi Hussain and my name is Abdul Quddus. My lord, my respectful prayer will be for an opportunity to provide, give me the opportunity to provide the certified copies, and two of my brothers and one elderly person I like to examine, my lord, even though I have annexed the document, but Gaubura and GP
Who raised
President
the opinion?
opinion, my lord, page 27, my lord. Starting from page 27, my lord, operative prod, my lord, will find page 30. The observation of the learned tribunal was the evidence of OP, paragraph 9, I am reading, my lord, page 30, coupled with the above documents relied upon by him, does not appear to be trustworthy, as such cannot be believed, my lord. So the document that I have relied, my lord, even though it has been expressly noted, my lord, in page number 28, as many as 10 exhibit that I have exhibited, my lord, including the document that I have demonstrated before my lord, that I am the son of Nabi Hussain and my name is Abdul Quddus. Beside this, my lord, I have also got certificate issued by the Gao Panchayat secretary and then Gaubura that has not been examined, my lord. So my respectful prayer will be to give an opportunity to examine these two vital witnesses, my lord, and one elderly person of my village I'd like to examine, my lord. For that, I am seeking this opportunity, my lord. What my learned friend says, my lord, this is my respectful submission at this stage, since this has come for hearing, my lord.
What is exhibit 9 and 10?
Exhibit 9 and 10, my lord, page 26, last part, the Gaubura's certificate and the
Gondra of which?
Gaubura, my lord, page 20, Gaubura certificate, my lord, would find page 25, my lord, 25, my lord. I have shifted from Shalkati to Kuruwati. That's all,
25.
page 25, my lord.
Sotia.
Sotia, yes. This is from Biswanath Sariali, my lord, from Sunitpur districts, my lord.
When did you shift to Sotia?
This is, as for the document, my lord, 93, 97, post, my lord.
Post 93, 97.
Yes, my lord. I have a document to demonstrate that my lord can peruse 2016 voter list. My lord can find it
Page,
from my document, my lord,
page.
page 2020, my lord. I need to come in clean hand, my lord. There are age discrepancies with utmost respect, my lord. As far as these are the document concerned, my lord, there are age discrepancies is there. And shifting, my lord, I have mentioned in paragraph 7, my lord, in my petition, my lord. Gaon Panchayat has also issued a certificate, my lord. Unfortunately, he was not examined, my lord. Gaubur has also issued a certificate. Unfortunately, he was not examined. Only because of these two reasons, my lord, my respectful prayer will be to give me another opportunity so that I can bring them and then for depositions, my lord. Otherwise, as far as this document is concerned, my lord, I will definitely obtain the certified copy, my lord, and from I'll definitely appear before tribunal, my lord. The trust area, my lord, will find from the opinion, my lord, is that learned tribunal has somehow not believed my documents. But unfortunately, no reason. I'm not on merit, my lord. I'm only on document part, my lord. Poor man, villagers, my lord. One opportunity I am seeking through this, my lord. That is my expertise.
Yes, Shama.
Lordship. Reference is made against Lordship Abdul Quddus of village Uruati. And when his name suddenly appears at the age of 75 years in the year 1997, Lordship, he was suspected and reference was made in Lordship. So Lordship,
But there's no appreciation of the evidence
yes,
in the opinion.
yes, Lordship. Lordship, without considering on merit, Lordship may remand the matter to place all the certified copies of voter list as well as what
You have not submitted
certified copies were not submitted.
It is not, my lord, from the records, my lord, it was not certified, my lord. Before beginning of my submission, I have made this submission, my lord. These are not certified copies, my lord. But records is, I have obtained, as per my instruction, my lord, my client has already obtained the certified copies, my lord. What I am praying, my lord, seeking an opportunity, my lord, definitely without certified copies, my lord, I cannot approach, my lord. So what my learned friend has said, my lord, fairly, without touching the merit, my lord, my respectful prayer will be to remand the matter back. If I am successful, my lord, definitely opinion will be in my favor. If I am not successful, my lord, in bringing the right witnesses, my lord, my two senior villagers are there, my lord. My own brother is there. They are ready to testify, my lord.
Only on the basis of materials which is available in the record. Lordship.
heard Mr.
A.S. Tapadar, my lord.
A.S. Tabata and counsel for the petition. Also heard MS L. Devi, Leonard CGC for the respondents. One. Respondent number one, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent number one, Mr. G. Shaban, Leonard Standing Council F2.
2 and 4, Lord.
Four respondents.
2, 4, 5.
2, 4, and 5.
And
And Mr. P. Sharma, the additional senior government for the respondent. Number two. Stop. Para. On reference been made by the Superintendent of Police, Sonitpur, Tezpur, dated 11/6/04, in connection with IM within bracket D T case number 439 of 2002. With regard to the nationality of the petitioner, public proceeding. Case number FTC within bracket 6267 of 2015 was registered in the Foreigners Tribunal 6 Tezpur within bracket Assam. Stop. The petitioner appeared before the tribunal and contested the case by filing written statement and And exhibiting how many documents? 10 documents.
as many as 10 documents,
As
my lord.
many as 10 documents. In support of his case
28.
that he is an Indian national and not a foreign. Stop. The learned tribunal drafted, passed the opinion. Passed the order dated 26/12/2016. Whereby the petitioner public proceeding was declared to be a foreigner, public illegal migrant of post 25/3/1971 street. Stop. Being aggrieved, the present petition. Learned counsel for the petitioner at this stage submits that when the proceedings of FTC within bracket 6267 of 2015 was proceeded against the petitioner, comma, he could not produce any certified true copies of the voter list of 1965, comma, 1970, comma, 1997, and 2016. Others you have finished or not a single document was certified.
My lord can find page 65 is the certified copy, my lord, page 15. The first document that I am relying is the certified copy, my lord,
Page
60, page 14, my lord. These are certified copies, my lord. The very first document that I have relied, page 14, my lord.
no,
Yeah.
you have not submitted certified copy.
I have submitted these two documents as certified copies, my lord, 65 and 70. Besides 65 and 70, rest all are not certified.
Okay. Cancel that. Learned counsel for the petitioner at this stage submits that except for the voter list of 1967, 65 and
1965 and 1970, my lord.
1970. The rest of the exhibits, the petitioner could not furnish certified true copies of the other exhibits. Stop. He therefore submits that an opportunity may be permitted, may be granted to the petitioner to enable him to furnish the certified true copies of those exhibits which the petitioner could not produce, and thereafter the tribunal may be allowed to come to a fresh finding. Stop. We have considered we have perused the records of FTC even that it's 6267 of 215. And on perusal of the same, we find that except for the voter list of 1965 and 1970, none of the other exhibits, no certified copies of the other exhibits were exhibited before the learned tribunal. Therefore, comma, without entering into the merits, comma, this writ petition is disposed of by remanding the matter back to the foreigners tribunal. 6 still is the foreigners tribunal 6 is to Assam to permit the petitioner to furnish certified true copies of exhibits of exhibit 3, isn't that exhibit 3, exhibit 4,
Exhibit
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thereafter, comma, the tribunal shall come to a fresh finding with regard to the nationality of the petitioner. Stop. Accordingly, comma, the, the order dated 26/12/2016 passed by the Foreigners Tribunal 6, case 2 within bracket Assam in case number FTC 6 within bracket 6267 of 2015 is set aside in court. The petition is directed to appear before the Foreigners Tribunal 6, case 2 Assam on
Any date as per the convenience, my lord. I have no objection. my lord.
on it is what 12. This month itself we appear on 29th of September 2023. Stop. Send on the LCS forfeit. Stop. We have accordingly the petition is disposed of.
Lordship, may establish lordship. This order may not be taken as a precedent process.
Yeah, it is made clear that this order shall not be addressed for other cases.
I'm deeply obliged, madam.
4, item 4,
None appears for the petitioner. List the matter again. 25th September.
5,
Last order 2/7/2023. 80%.
27.
SC education.
My lord, I beg apology, my lord. In this case, I was directed to get the, my lord, the case status of the police case. So I pray another 1 week time for my lord.
It is the case number to issue.
Okay, but Mr.
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
A. Mohammed, then the council for the petition. Mr. J. Payal, the next. Yodi,
Standing counsel for my lord.
FT,
Yes, my lord.
then is standing council FT. Wait, for how much time?
1 week, my lord.
1 week time to enable him to produce the updated status of the investigation with regard to Abhaya Puri PS case number 350 of the 2022. Stop. Praise Allah. Please, after 1 week.
6 minutes.
6,
আমি ঠিক করে দেব। বুঝলি? কিন্তু ভোটার লিস্টে দিবা হোক।
Well, in this case, election commission was asked to get some instruction, my lord.
Hmm.
Instructions are here, but.
Page 18, my lord, voter list of 1966.
18 or 19?
Translated first.
Page 18 or 19?
Second page translate.
Translated
Page
first.
18, my lord. A translated copy, my lord. Voter list of 1966. Serial number 61 and serial number 63 is the mother. 61 is the father, Nirut Chandra Das. 63 is the mother.
Translated version is there. Translated.
It is correct,
Yes, it's correct.
Simply correct.
isn't it? There's no discrepancy in the list,
My lord, is instruction from the, my lord, it's not my instruction,
correct?
instruction by the.
Is there any discrepancy? This is correct. This is correct, correct. Page 18 is correct.
Yes. 18 and 19.
Then
Then we have to go on merit maths. If it is correct, we have to accept this as correct good match. Then we have to go on merit, what is the case?
That's it, actually.
LCS have come.
Number two. LCR is there. It may be fixed for hearing, my lord. Accepting is to be correct.
Okay, heard, Mr.
Yeah, Mohammed.
A. Mohammed, learn the counsel for the petition. Mr. T. Begul, and the standing counsel. Election Commission has produced the original voter list of 1966 in respect of Malibagan village, which tallies with the voter list submitted by the annexed by the petitioner at page 18/19 of the present letter. In that view of the matter, comma, release the matter for hearing after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Seven.
Complex.
70 days.
Kindly see the order dated for a.
Yes, circle officer.
Well, there is some instructions. Circle. This is from the superintendent of police, my lord, we have got instruction.
Yes. Have you got a copy of this?
My lord, notice was served under the name of Rajan. But I am the Rajiv. Rajan, my lord. So if I am not Rajan, why serve notice to me, my lord? Although I appear contest of the case, my lord.
What about the report from the circle
And
officer?
Sargol officer also, there is a village, originally Khelli. Then, period to 1997, village has been demarcated.
Madam, there is no report. The report has not received from circle. Madam.
And this one also want to know whether Salekora and Balikur Nonke is the adjacent village.
Yes.
We submitted all the voter list, my lord, here, showing that my father's originally belongs to Khelli, my elder brother is belong to Khelli, I am also belong to Khelli. But later on, village has been demarcated, we fall under Balukuri Nonke. Some land documents I also produced here where my name has been mutated in place of my father.
My lord, your lordship may kindly see the last order, my
I've seen.
last term, my lord, it is the petitioner, because this, their claim was that, my lord, there are two adjacent villages. But later on, my lord, your lordship has observed, seen the observation. However, later on it is noticed in different case, my lord. Take up that record reveals that Balikuri Nansi had its own voter list of 1966. Which gives a prima facie indication that the submissions made herein by that village so-and-so was bifurcated into the village being Kelly and Balikuri Nancy that were no voter list in respect of Balikuri Nancy for the earlier years would be prima facie incorrect. So what my learned senior friend is something that is found to be prima facie incorrect in the next proceeding, my lord, next cases where these my lord, documents have come out. It's not in this same case, my lord. So my learned friend, senior friend has to, my lord, submit on that reason. In fact, report, my submission is that in fact, report is not necessary because this is
Just a prima facie finding.
yes, prima facie finding. Report,
But let the report come.
report will come, my lord.
Let the report come.
In 2 weeks, then.
First, Mr.
Yeah, Ahmed.
J. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Mr. G. Sharma, J. Paya, Learned Standing Counsel FT, has produced an inquiry report dated 5/9/2023, issued by the Superintendent of Police, Barbita Assam, wherein it is stated that that it could not be asserted that the petitioner, Rajiv Hussain, Rajiv Ali, and Rajan Hussain are one in the same person. But in our earlier order dated 4/8/2023, we had also directed the circle officer of Balpur Revenue Circle to make an inquiry and submit a report as to whether Balikuri NC and Kelly are two separate or distinct villages all along, or Balikuri NC was earlier part of village Kelly, which resulted in a common voter list of 1997. So, Mr. A. Sharma, P. Sharma, and the additional placed for 2 weeks' time in order to produce the inquiry of the circle officer of Bakpur Revenue Circle. Place of this of 2 weeks.
And they also may have,
The inquiry report dated 5/9/2023 is placed on record.
and my lord, they may be directed to file affidavit on that, because I will want to report those.
Let them first come with
Yes.
this inquiry.
My lord, what happened in this case? A reference case and we have not get them. If you will say permitted me to give the reference case and photocopy or certificate to be allowed, I will apply it. Notice and reference case, record is here, my lord.
You've not got a copy.
That I want. my lord. If I will apply, they will furnish the certificate copies of a notice and as well as
Petitioner
reference.
is also permitted to apply for certified copy
Of notice,
of the notice dated,
notice that is not found, my lord, notice and as well as reference case. my lord.
notice dated.
Notice that is not found, my lord.
This not remember.
Not trigger, my lord. That is why we,
Of the
want.
notice. Let's see the LC. Use a notice. Of the notice dated 8/2016, as well as
reference case,
the reference case,
reference cases.
reference cases before the registry of this court. Can you read that? Yes. You can read. Huh? You can read. Oh, there's a big problem. You can read that.
Eight.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, yesterday we have filed an affidavit in opposition, but that has not come in record.
Affidavit in opposition,
Yes, lordship.
you are appealing for,
I'm for the appellant, lordship.
you are for
Petitioner.
the petitioner.
Yes,
Why do you need to file an affidavit in opposition? You want to file an affidavit in opposition against your writ petition?
No, lordship.
Then what did you file? You filed an additional affidavit.
Yes, lordship, additional affidavit.
Verify whether it is an additional
Yes,
affidavit.
lordship, additional affidavit. One second, no comment.
Have you received a copy?
I don't have this certificate. Maybe sharp my lord. With my card.
Copy has been sent.
MS,
B. Hajarika.
we have the record and the counsel for petitioner submits that they have filed an additional affidavit on yesterday,
Yes, lordship.
on 11/9/2022.
Your lordship, kindly the matter may be fixed on Thursday.
Registry to verify and place the same on report. We found in order, comma. Please, doctor, 1 week.
Lordship, kindly fix it that in this matter, on the earlier occasion, record was sought for the
What report?
school records.
You have the school reports?
Lordship.
You retain it. I'm saying after 1 week.
Nine.
Lordship, may please your lordship, I am praying for adjournment of the matter, lordship. My senior today has some difficulty. Lordship, kindly take up this matter on 21st of September.
Who's your senior?
Mr. S. Chakraborty.
Yes, Payeng. On request made on behalf of S. Chakraborty and the council for a petitioner. List the matter after 1 week.
Lordship, 21st of September. Oh, yes, lordship. Yes, lordship.
After 1 week.
After 1 week. Much obliged, lordship.
10.
May please your lordship. My lord, here in this case, The initial order dated 31/7/2023, where record has been called for and been granted, my lord. The office record which has been called for, that is not related to the petitioner. There's two judgment of the foreigners tribunal has been annexed in the writ petition. One is in connection with the petitioner, another is in connection with his brother. My lord, inadvertently, the records of the brother case has been called for, which is not required, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, we have filed an IA.
1 minute, which record was called for?
My lord, a record has been called for in case number BNGN FT2 APR 109/2019.
Where's the order?
My lord, lordship will find the order 31/7/2023.
Page.
In the IA, that is in our IA, my lord. IA.
So in the writ petition.
No, this order has been annexed in the writ petition, in the IA, my lord.
No, opinion, I'm asking for the opinion.
Opinion, yes, lordship, my lord. The wrong order which has been called, my lord, at page 65. Page 65, that has been called for, my lord. It's not required to be called for, my lord. The relevant case record is to be called for is, my lord, at page 48. And as
Are
such,
you aggrieved by this order?
no, we are agreed by the order at page 48. We are not agreed by this order. We are supporting this, my lord, relying on this. The brother has been declared not foreigner. So we are annexed. We have annexed.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Lordship, may kindly have a look at the office note also. Annexure 14, page 48. my lord. That should be called for, madam.
Page.
Page 48 of the writ petition. Objection আছে?
ইটো থাকক
Huh?
ইটো থাকক
মই কোৰ্টক জনাইছো, কোৰ্টে যি কৰে কৰিব।
Okay.
Well, this should be called for, my lord.
You agree with this
We
order?
are not, my lord.
You agree with this order?
Yes, my lord, we are agreed with this order, not agreed with the order at page 65. So that record may go, my lord, and this record may be called for, my lord.
Then we'll send down the records of this.
My lord.
as if my learned friend don't want to rely that my lord, it can be sent.
You want to rely on that record also or not?
My lord, we are not required. I feel that that case is not, case record is not required, my lord.
Mr. A.R. Shifal and counsel for the petitioner.
Itu থাকিলে দুইটা গেছে
Submit.
খুব মারিব পারে।
That this
Hmm?
court on 31
বসে বুঝি গেছে।
had requisitioned for the reports of case number BNGN oblique FT dash 2 oblique APR oblique 109 oblique 2019 arising out of reference IM within bracket B T case number 1088 oblique 2001 by inadvertence. Stop. In fact, comma, the records of where is that page?
Page 48, my lord. Annexure 14.
Records of PNGN oblique FT dash 2 oblique APR oblique 370 oblique 17 reference are arising out of reference BNGN IMTT case number 1089 oblique 2001 should have been represented. On perusal of the reports, we find that the submission of the letter counsel for the petition is correct. Accordingly, registry is directed to call for the reports of BNGN of case number BNGN oblique FT -2 oblique APR oblique 370 oblique 70 in reference arising out of reference BNGN IMTT case number 1089 oblique 2001 from the Foreigners Tribunal, Bungaigaon, number 2, Apaya Puri. Stop. Registry is also directed to send on the reports of the case number BNGN oblique FT -2 oblique APR oblique 109 oblique 2019. Arising out of reference within column, I am within bracket D E case number 1088/2001 to the Foreigners Tribunal, Bungaigaon, number 2, Abhayapur, Fort Wills. Please the matter after 4 weeks.
Deep lovely.
11,
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly say last order, Lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, school records are sought for. I need some time to produce the records after 2 weeks.
But MS,
P goes.
he goes then counsel for petition. On request made by MS,
B Decca,
E Decca, Learned
SC Education Department.
Standing Council, School Education Department.
Lord.
Is the matter of 2 weeks to enable her to produce the school reports.
14 of supplementary admission.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, earlier occasion, we have taken time to produce documents regarding seeking of the appellant Lordship. We could not collect documents, Lordship. Some more time may be granted, Lordship.
This is a writ appeal.
Lordship.
Earlier, my lord, this bench was taken by the my lord, single bench.
Oh,
Earlier it was single bench. Now it is in big bench.
Order dated 23/8/23. Lordship.
what do you want?
Adjournment, Lordship.
On what ground?
Lordship, some more time to produce document regarding shifting of the appellant Lordship. Persons to order dated 23/8/23.
Okay, MS,
F in Dutch.
F
In Dutch.
in Dutch. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Place for another
3 weeks.
3 weeks time. To enable her to produce the relevant materials in terms of the order dated 23/8/2023. List up to 3 weeks.
Obviously.
We are about taking hearing.
In this matter, my lord, I have concluded my argument, my lord, on that day, my lord, the other day, my lord. And what happened in this case, my lord, I was,
Today the bench is different.
no, your bench, my lord.
My bench,
Oh,
but
yes,
today
yes.
the bench
Yes,
is
my lord, only,
different.
yes,
So you'll have to proceed again.
yes, my lord. Now, your lordship, as earlier, my lord, on earlier occasion, my lord.
You are ready, Mr. Payal?
I'm sorry, my lord, probably in this case, Mr. Sharma was appearing. no?
That is what in the last occasion, J. Sharma was happening.
Sharma was appearing.
Yes, my
I
lord.
don't see him, that's why I'm
Yes.
asking you.
He's coming, he's coming, miss. He's on the way. Your lordship may hear me, my lord.
File is not with me. my lord.
He's coming, my lord. He's on the way. He has informed me, my lord.
Okay.
Let Mr.
Yes. My lord, on last occasion, my lord, I was directed to file in, my lord, an affidavit by the Panchayat president, my lord. Is in record, page 65, my lord.
Page,
Page 65, my lord.
yes.
Para one, my lord, that I was the president of 9 number Tipla Gram Panchayat in the year 2015. That I issued a certificate dated 31/10/2015 bearing serial number so and so to Sajirun Nisa, wherein it is stated that Sajirun Nisa is the daughter of Mahmud Ali, alias Muhammad Ali. Next page, my lord, 66. That I know Sajirun Nisa from the time of her birth as Sajirun Nisa, and I was a resident of the same village, and she is the daughter of Mahmud Ali, alias Muhammad Ali, and as such is known to me personally, and we used to have friendly family relation with one another. That as Sajirun Nisa is known to me from her birth, and on my such knowledge, I issued the aforementioned certificate, annexed M, page 57, annexed with the petition to Sajirun Nisa, my lord. Now, your lordship, turn to page 57, my lord. Page petition is in vernacular, page 56, my lord. Page 56. To establish the link, my lord, that link, my lord, only I have. This is to certify, page 56, lordship got it. This to certify that Sajirun Nisa, father of Mahmud Ali, village Tiplai, part 3, post office Tiplai, village Rangili district, Gwalpara, Assam. Aforementioned person is the resident of Barokta village and the Tiplai Gram Panchayat. She is a good moral character. I wish her success in life. This certificate issued by the president since I know her, my lord. Now, your lordship, turn to my lord, voter list at page 32, my lord, copy of voter list. 1965, page 32, my lord.
Yes.
Let's serial number 673. My lord, Mahmud Ali, my lord. My father, my lord.
Ismail Sheikh,
Yes, my lord.
Reply part 3.
Yes, 673. You also got it, my lord.
Yes.
673.
Yeah.
Then, my lord, the lordship turn to now, my lord. Please.
This is 1965.
Yes, my lord, 65. Voter list of 65 of my father. Now, my lord, page 33, my lord. Copy of voter list 1970, my lord. Next page is in vernacular, my lord. The translate copy, my lord, I have translated it. Serial number 668. Mahmud Ali, my lord, my father.
Yes.
Now, your lordship, turn to page, my lord, 35. Voter list of 79, my lord, 35. 859 serial number, Mahmud Ali. So, my lord, I rely only on 2 documents, my lord. The voter list of 1965 and the voter list of 70, my lord. Since, my lord, the cutoff mark is, my lord, 1971, my lord, 25th March. So, my lord, I was declared, my lord, foreigner.
What is it?
My lord, I'm because my father's voter list appeared. My name in the voter list appeared. My father in 1965, again appeared in 1970, then 79, and other, my lord, voters 89, 97. My father's name, mother's name appeared, my lord. So, my lord, as a result, my lord, the link document I have submitted the my lord only Panchayat certificate, my lord. Panchayat certificate. And thereafter, my lord, when I was married to my lord at voter list, kindly see page 41 to 51, page 41, my lord.
Page 41,
Yes, my lord.
yes.
The voter list is 1997, CL number, my lord, 554 Sajirun Nisa.
Who's Sajirun Nisa?
This is the, my lord, me, my lord,
The petitioner.
petitioner, my lord.
You are D.
D, my lord.
Hmm.
Tag D. That's why, my lord, my lord, could not vote at that time.
Who's your father's name?
Mahmoud Ali, my lord.
Who is that?
My husband, Sahar is my husband, my lord.
Sahar is your husband.
My husband. Now your, my lord, next page 42, my lordship seat, 2005.
Hmm.
2005 voter list.
Hmm.
D voter, my lord. D640. My husband's name, Sahar Ali, Sadir Nisa, is a petitioner.
2005.
2005. Now 2011 voter list, my lord. Next page, 43.
Hmm.
D86. Lawful voter, my lord. Sajir Nisa, Sahar Ali. Then, my lord, next page, voter list of 2015, my lord. Page 44. Sajir Nisa, serial number 109. Everything, my lord. Then voter list of, my lord, 2019, my lord. My name appeared in all voter lists, my lord, prepared by the Election Commission of India, my lord. Page 45, my lord.
Hmm.
Serial number, my lord, 121. Serial number 121, my lord. So my respectful submission, my lord, since, my lord,
Now
I'm-
your only link is the
my lord, a Panchayat certificate link.
what
my
is page 52?
lord. 52, my lord. 52 is, my lord, voter list of 2005, my lord.
Hmm.
serial number 448, Muhammad Ali. And man, my grandfather's name is Ismail Ali, my lord.
Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali. Yes.
My lord, my only link document is the Panchayat certificate, because at that time, my lord, I was married to Sahar Ali, and from after, my lord, married to him, I am eligible to, my lord, vote. And since so, my lord, my voters list appeared, my lord, from 2000, my lord, 2000, my lord, like this, my lord, that voters is 1997, 2005, 2011, 2015, and 2019. In all voter lists, my lord, my name appeared, but as D voter, my lord. So my link document is there, my lord. My father's name appeared in 1965 and 1970. That means, man, I'm an Indian citizen. Since I have established the link, my lord.
Apart from this Gondwara certificate, do you have any other documents?
No, my lord.
You don't have a school certificate?
School certificate, I don't have, my lord. I am an illiterate, my lord.
Any land documents?
Land document, my lord, I do not have, my lord. Land document. And my lord, at 63, can you see, my lord? Page 63. Page 63. From bottom, my lord. in some documents, her father's name has been wrongly recorded as Muhammad Ali, Mahmoud Ali, and Mahmoud instead of Mahmoud Ali. Some Muhammad Ali, Mahmoud Ali, Mahmoud and is the same in one person. That is father's name. Such as in name, some documents, her grandfather's name has been wrongly recorded as one person. That is his father's name. In cross, he has stated that he has tested he is good since 1960 and onwards. The evidence of the opposite party, coupled with the above mentioned documents, rely upon her appears to be trustworthy, and there is nothing to in record to disbelieve. I found sufficient from record to come to a definite conclusion that the parents of the opposite party are the Indian citizen, and the opposite party is born and brought up to genuine Indian parents. As such, being the residents of our Indian parents cannot be termed to be illegal migrants, suspected and above alleged in the above mentioned reference case. Considering the intermediate on record discussion, I am or considered opinion on the opposite party is Swagi Nisa. Swagi Nisa's daughter Muhammad Ali. My sister, my lord. My sister has been declared, my lord, an Indian citizen. Can you see this, my lord? So my humble submission, my lord, since I have, my lord, produced the link document through
But this
Panchayat,
village is different.
my lord.
Okay, how do you establish that this is your sister?
My lord, in the voters list, my lord, I have established the link, my lord, concert link, as well as the, my lord, voter certificate 65 and my lord 70.
That is fine.
Yeah, my lord,
But
yes.
how do you establish your link with your sister? If you claim parity with your sister,
Yes, my lord. Daughter of Muhammad Ali, my lord.
there may be so many Muhammad Ali.
No, no, my lord. No, you have.
Village
Can you see at page 2, my lord? Page 2. Page 2.
page 2
Yes.
of your writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Sajirun Nessa, aged of 40, wife of Sahar Ali, daughter of Mahmud Ali, alias Muhammad Ali, resident of village, Bagamarsar, Baksar district, Barbata. Same address, my lord. Same address.
No, that's fine. Your where is the document with regard to your sister? Yes, fine. Shama. Who's
Okay.
appearing?
Yes. My lord, in this case, your lordship has seen. We have no problem that accepting one person was there prior to 1966-71. That has no problem. Now, my lord, only issue is to how to link the petitioner along with that person. He brought it, my lord. We have to confine on the evidence, my lord. What evidence he brought? Evidence brought is the, my lord, Panchayat certificate. Panchayat certificate, that's it, brought by the secretary. It is issued by a president who is an elected person, my lord. And he is not a public authority.
Where's the certificate?
Certificate, my lord, your lordship will find.
Page 57.
Sin, page 57. This is Barnicula, my lord. Translated version, page 56, my lord.
Oh.
This is issued by president of number 79, Tapla Gaon Panchayat. President, my lord, he is elected person. He is not a public authority. He has not issued on the basis of any record. On his personal knowledge, he has issued this certificate. And further, my lord, it is said that the certificate that Sajiran Nessa, father of Muhammad Ali, village Tiplal Patri, Tiplai and Rangjuli district of Assam. Aforementioned person is the resident of Borpatar village under Tiplai Gaon Panchayat. This is, my lord, what the contents of the contents itself is also contradictory. But, my lord, my contention is that, first of all, whether this document is admissible. My lord, our contention is that whatever they did it's in the WSO written statement and in the evidence, that has to be proved by bringing, my lord, cogent, reliable evidence and admissible evidence. If this document cannot be taken as admissible evidence for the purpose of citizenship, my lord, at least for the purpose of citizenship, because citizenship is not a such issue, my lord, which can be declared on the basis of some oral statement given by some person. It should be based on some records or some documents, my lord. Because this is a typical issue here in state of Assam, my lord. Your lordship knows it well. So, my lord, this is the only document. If this document goes, there is nothing on record. So and my learned friend is now here claiming that I have a sister. There is no such statement neither in the WS nor in the evidence that she has any sister in the name of so-and-so and she has been declared Indian. These pleadings were not there. Now, and there is no documents to link herself to the Malad project.
When was the sister's order passed? 23/11/2017. Correct,
My lord?
23/11/2017.
Yes, 23/11/2007.
Then when was the reference made with regard to the petitioner?
Petitioner was met, my lord, reference.
Where is the opinion?
Opinion page, my lord, 13.
1-3.
Yes. This reference was made in 1998, my lord. And this opinion was passed on 27/8/2018. Sister's reference was made in 2001. And opinion was passed on 23/11/2007. That is not relevant, my lord. This because what my submission is that, my lord, this is first time brought before this honorable court.
Mr. Raman, do you have any other documents to link with your father apart from the certificate issued by the president? It's not the Gaunbura,
It's not a Gampura, neither is second.
it's by the president.
I have no other document, my lord. Since in earlier days, my lord, in village area, my lord, people are getting married when they are minor, my lord.
No,
Now
that's
it has been
a different
stopped.
thing.
That's why, my
That is
lord.
a different thing.
That's why, my
There
lord.
should be some
We are married, and since then, my lord, my name appeared
We
in the
can give
voters
you
list.
some more chance, so we can give you some more chance so that you can link with your father.
No, I have no other document, my lord. I have no other document, my
Are you
lord.
sure?
I am sure, my lord.
Then how do you rely on the president's?
My lord, since this Panchayat, my lord, certificate is, my lord, is accepted. When my lord, Justice Ujjwal Bhaiya passed an order rejecting this Panchayat certificate, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, relied that it is a genuine document, my lord.
Who is that order?
That is, your lordship, we have read yesterday or day, Rupjan Begum's case. Your
Who is
lordship,
that order? I forgot.
My lord.
Rupsan, yes, my lord.
I have a copy, my lord, but
Can
Only
you
one
see this, my lord? That's why, my lord,
this is
I have a, my lord,
2018
genuine ground.
579.
Here, my lord, it was argued by me and my brother, my lord, this, my lord. Deduction it. In village areas, my lord, what happens? Girls are married up when they are minors, my lord. During, my lord, the community we call, my lord, Mias.
But it is, your lordship will find para 15, my lord. 15 and 16 may be seen, my lord. This is, my lord, the issue there was GP certificate issued by the GP secretary, not by the president, my lord. That is apparently it's a different certificate, man. The certificate issued by the GP secretary, man, merely acknowledges the shifting of residence of a married woman from one village to another. Married, man.
Yes.
This is clearly, my lord, issued by the issue was before the Supreme Court, and this honorable court was, my lord, certificate issued by the GP secretary, not by the president. GP secretary is the official authority. My lord is a government, my lord, servant who can issue some certificates, my lord, definitely. But president cannot issue. The issue was not the certificate issued by the president, but in that case, my lord, in the present case, it is the certificate issued by the president.
Then, my lord, I pray it may be mandate to my lord to punish tribunal again, my lord, so that I will, my lord, I can produce a certificate from the Gram Panchayat secretary, my lord.
Already declared foreigner, my lord. Now they will submit a certificate. Bringing.
That's why, my lord, I did not on this document.
But then that is the reason why this court directed the president to file an affidavit
My lord, president to file an affidavit on what knowledge he has, on what basis he has filed.
that he has filed.
He has filed this on personal knowledge. He has not said, my lord.
Para 3 years.
Yes, he has said he is on personal knowledge,
Yes.
not on the basis of any record. And further, he has, my lord, in the certificate itself, he has given a different village, name of different village that this lady is living in some other village. On the basis of that personal knowledge, he is issuing this certificate. Lordship may kindly see the certificate.
Mr. Raman, I think there should be some documents in your support.
But I have,
Supposing your government, this president certificate goes. Everything goes. It's dangerous for you.
no, I have asked many times, my lord, they have no other documents, my lord. I have asked many times, my lord.
So this
Why
is
not
clear,
you-
my lord.
We'll give you one more chance to see if you can get some document.
Should I bring, my lord, another document by the Gram Panchayat secretary, my lord?
That is a different, that we cannot directly. But there should be some documents linking you with your father.
My lord. My lord, next week, my lord.
We'll give you 2 weeks.
My lord, 1 week, my lord, 1 week, not 2 weeks, my lord. Because of my dad, because of election is coming, my lord. I could not vote, my lord. So, my lord,
Forget the issue of voting. Now you have been declared a foreigner.
my lord, since this appeals court judgment, my lord, the order, my lord,
Episcopal judgment says the GB secretary.
my lord.
You are the
Then
president.
I'll produce, my lord, the certificate by the secretary, my lord.
This court is not saying anything. This court is not.
1 week time may be given, my lord. 1 week time, my lord.
Just see some other documents
Madam.
which links you with your father. That's all. On request made by Triple S Raman, learned counsel for the petitioner. List the matter after 1 week. I'm not saying anything.
My lord.
Just see if you can find them. There's no doubt that your father was, that Mahmud was there.
Yes, my lord.
Mahmoud was there, my lord. We accept.
Mahmud was, that is accepted. Now, the only thing is that link. One link,
My lord, that's why, my lord, the honorable court has, my lord, asked me to, my lord, file an affidavit.
that affidavit,
Yes,
It
that's
is-
why, my lord, I filed, my lord, my lord, linking my father, my lord.
just see if you can get somebody.
My lord. Always, lord.
13.
May I please lordships. My lord, we have sought the review of the order.
This is a review.
Yes, review petition of the impugned order, that is page 15, my lord. 1-5.
Yes, read the order.
Here are page 15, operative portion of the order starts from page 16.
Yes,
Kindly see para 4. 16 bottom. The petitioner adduced her evidence along with the following exhibits. Exhibit A is the voter list of 1966 showing the names of her projected paternal grandparents Abdul Jabbar and Mojir Nessa of Dobakura of 44 number Gwalpara West LSC. Exhibit B is the voter list of 1970, showing the aforesaid names of her paternal grandparents of village Dobakura of the same assembly constituency. Exhibit C is the voter list of 1985 of village Dobakura under 39 number Jolesar LSC, showing the names of the aforesaid grandparents along with the names of projected father, showing the name as Kasem Ali, along with mother Musammad Faterun Nesa. Exhibit D is the Kabinnama dated 12/8/2008, showing the names of the petitioner Rukia Khatun as 18 years, as wife along with her husband Moinal Haq of village Kallanpur. Exhibit E is the registered cell deed bearing number 9310 dated 11/12/1975, showing the names of Jabbar Ali, the projected grandfather of the petitioner, as the purchaser of a plot of land from Shahjahan Ali. In the said cell deed, overwritings are apparent in the name of the projected grandfather, Jabbar Ali, and date of certificate of registration showing that is 11/2/17 instead of 11/12/75. So, my lord, if we forget about this document, this is additional document has been produced. Learned Tribunal has doubted that that should be 11/12/75 but it has been written as 11/12/70. Now my submission is this: the decision of the learned division bench of this High Court, so far my humble understanding is concerned, is not correct, because 1966 voter list is a public document. For lordship, I invite your lordship, kindly come to page 37. The voter list of 1966, lordship has seen.
Yes.
Abdul Jabbar is my grandfather and Mojirun Nasa is my grandmother. It is of village Dobakura. Lordship has seen. Village Dobakura. Now, lordship, this is the vernacular next page. Then lordship kindly come to page 39. It is Abdul Jabbar and Mojirun Nesa, voter list of 1970, village Dobakura. Lordship has seen.
Yes.
So these two persons are my grandfather and grandmother respectively. Now, lordship may kindly come to page 41. Kasem Ali, who is my father, and Jabbar Ali is written as the father of Kasem Ali. So linkage is coming from the year 1966. Very simple matter. Kasem Ali, son of Jabbar, Musammad Faterun Nasa, Kasem Ali. Sheikh Faterun is my wife. So Kasem Ali's wife. So Kasem Ali's name is connected with Jabbar, whose name has been recorded in the voter list of 1966.
No, you are saying this Jabbar is your grandfather.
Yes. And Kasem Ali is my father. Now, lordship kindly come to page.
Qasim Ali is your father.
Yes. Now, another voter list, kindly see page 43, my page 43. Kasem Ali, village Dobakura, same village. In many times, my lord, normally these types of persons change their residences because of this erosion of rivers. But here, continuously they are at village Dobakura. This is a very strong point in favor of the present petition. Now, Kasem Ali's name is also there in the voter list of 1997, page 43, village Dobakura. Now,
And your mother?
my mother is, yes, my mother is Fatima Bibi Kasem Ali.
Fatima
Bibi.
Bibi.
Fatima B.
In the other document is Fadila
In
Nisa.
other document, yes, married, other daga Faturun Nasa Kashem Ali. Faturun Nasa, that is not clarified. Perhaps it is wrongly written, it will be Muzirun Nasa, it may be wrongly written. But thing is this, my lord, I am deriving my citizenship from my father, not from mother. Section 3 of the Citizenship Act, either of the parents, it is written. So here father is Kashem Ali, and Kashem Ali's name appears in the voter list of 1985 and 1997, and his father is Abdul Jabbar, alias Jabbar. His name is there in the voter list of 66 and 70. Now, Lordship kindly see, yes, maybe my father had two wives. That may be also one of the exceptions, but that is not clarified, so I cannot say at this moment. Now, page 45 kindly see. Before that, my lord, I am doing a question. Here, Rukia Khatun, my husband is Moinal Haq, page 45. It is written as D. Why it is D? Because I was originally resident of village Dobakura. So after my marriage, I came to another village at village, and that's why my name was written as D voter. But that will rectify the position from here. Lordship may kindly see page 40.
So Rukia Khatun is the petitioner.
Rukia Khatun is the petition. Now, Lordship would see, it is the village Kallanpur. It is written village Kallanpur. It is village in English portion. Village Kallanpur is not there. But in 46, Kallanpur village is there. My land page 46, top left side, Kallanpur village. Now, Kallanpur is the resident of my husband. Now, I am submitting, my lord. Page 40.
What is the spelling? Kalyanpur?
47. Kalyanpur. Kallanpur. Now kindly see, my lord, page 47. Page 47. This is the Kabin Nama. Kabin Nama is the marriage deed. Here, Lordship would see, name of the bride, it will be bridegroom. It will be bridegroom, Moinal Haq, age 22 years, father's name late Rustam Ali, guardian's name Bisha Sheikh, present as a Kallanpur. So, Kallanpur is the village of my husband. So, when I was shifted to village Kallanpur after my marriage with Moinal Haq, so my name was recorded as D voter. But here, Lordship would see, my name is along with my father. That is name of the bride, Rukia Khatun, age 18 years, father's name Kashem Ali. Guardian's name Kashem Ali, relation father, present address Dobakura. That Dobakura. So, this document clearly says that Kashem Ali is my father. And Kashem Ali is the son of Jabbar. And Jabbar's name is recorded in the voter list of 1966 and 70. And Kashem Ali's name has been recorded in the voter list of 85, father's name Jabbar Ali, 97, father's name Jabbar Ali. So clearly a linkage is coming. So thereafter, Lordship may kindly see the headmaster's certificate, page 49. Miss Rukia Khatun, daughter of Kashem Ali, village Dobakura. Yes, at that time I was at Dobakura because that is my birthplace. P.S. Lakhipur, Gwalpara, read in Takibari, Cholakura Primary School and completed her education at this school on 31st day of December 1999. She has passed in class 4. Her character was good when she was read in this school. So, this is the certificate of the headmaster.
When was this certificate issued?
Yeah, that was issued, my lord, on 15/1/2000. 15/1/2000. That's 50, bottom left side. And my date of birth is written as 8989. So this is the certificate. And this certificate, my lord, has been endorsed by the headmaster. Headmaster appeared before the learned tribunal and adduced his evidence that yes, she read in my school. Headmaster, my lord, he is GW 4. It may be on record now. And so headmaster came and adduced that yes, this Rukia Khatun LCR.
My lord, before going to this, my lord, because this is a review petition, my learned priest is arguing again the same petition. These arguments have been made, my lord. On the basis of these arguments, the opinion, the judgment of this honorable court has been passed. Now, my learned friend has to, my lord, point it out. What is the error apparent in that judgment? Look, we are repeating the same argument and same argument. It is not the read court, my lord.
Yes, Mama.
This is the review court, my lord.
My
Review
lord.
court, see, he cannot go beyond it. What is the error?
Absolutely
Let him
correct.
show, my lord, what is the error apparent in that
Error
judgment?
apparent on
He is
record is.
arguing again and
Let-
again the same points which were argued in the written
No,
petition, which have been discussed in the.
I am the last person to argue like that.
No.
Thing
He
is, this
he
is a
saying,
public
my lord,
document.
let me show.
Lordship.
He is saying that,
Kindly
my lord,
consider,
he is saying that
these
this
are public
honorable court
document,
did
my
not
lord.
consider 1966,
Let me-
70
1
documents.
minute.
These documents were considered. by
not
this court.
considered, but in wrong manner. That is my case.
Then go to the higher authority.
Why
my lord.
higher
If
court?
it is,
Review
if
is,
my learned friend is saying
order
this
for
judgment
is
is wrong,
there.
then it is the remedy is to
My
go for appeal.
lord, these are public document. I am not the author of these
Reviewing the, my
documents.
lord, review is not for that.
I am not the author of these documents. And there should be harmonious construction of document.
Put my
Let
lord,
me-
silence
Mr.
the street petition.
Learned counsel, let me submit, let me satisfy honorable court. My lord, first thing, these are public document. I am not the author of this document, nor I have prepared this document. If these documents are not believed, then how a person will prove his citizenship?
Let us go to the judgment.
Now, let me judgment, yes. Over and above, lordship, some factual points I am coming to some extent. Now kindly see page 55, my lord.
Page
Let me, page
16.
55, kindly see.
Page 16 is the judgment of this number.
No, I definitely, I want to argue, but you are unnecessary, you will get your chance. So there is no, my lord, there is no cross on this point. This is not this is a false document. Lordship is aware, any objection to any document should be made at the first time in the lower court. Now, at lower court, they are not denying the authenticity of those documents. How they can raise this issue in High Court?
Can this be raised in the
So,
review petition?
that was not considered by the Honorable High Court while the order was passed.
That's why let us see the judgment.
Judgment, yes. Judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord, or this?
High Court, High Court.
High Court, yes. High Court, yes. Now, High Court has also written about the.
You read para 4.
Yes,
Hmm.
para 4, yes. The petitioner reviews her evidence along with following exhibits. So,
That you have read. From the para 5.
para 5. On perusal of record, it is seen that one Rakibul Islam, as the secretary of Rajmita, Gaupansad issued a migration certificate and a photocopy of the school certificate was issued by the headmaster of Takimari Solakura Primary School, both in favor of the petitioner, Rukia Khatun, showing to be the daughter of the projected father of Kashem Ali. Kindly see language. Project, I am saying so and so, my father, projected word is also objectionable. Dobakura. As per the said certificate, the date of birth of the petitioner is shown as 18/9/89, and the certificate was dated 15/1/20. However, both these documents were not exhibited as apparent from the record. But it is exhibited. It is exhibited. It is said that exhibit A is the voter list of 1966. So that now Lordship would say, secretary. Now my father has adduced evidence. My father, he himself came as
Let
the.
us read the judgment first, then we'll come. to
Yes,
the-
yes. Then, my lord, yes.
However, both these documents were not exhibited.
Yes, interpreted, yes.
So what is these two documents? This is the certificate only. Isn't it?
No, that is the voter list of 66 and 70. Yes,
No,
this
no,
is
no.
the certificate of secretary, yes.
Certificate of the headmaster.
No, certificate of Rajmita Gaupansad, first one, para 5. Headmaster matter is coming later.
Hmm.
Para 5 On paperwork, it is seen that one Rakibul Islam as the secretary of Rajmita Gaupanshat issued a migration certificate and a photocopy of school certificate. So in favor of petitioner Rukia Khatun showing to be the daughter of the projected father of Kasim Ali of village Dabakura, as per the said certificate, the date of birth of the petitioner is shown as 18/9/89 and the certificate was dated 15/1/20, 2000. However, both these documents were not exhibited as apparent from the record. The petitioner, after filing here evidence on affidavit, faced the cross-examination. In her cross-examination dated 22/12/2016, she stated that Kasim Ali is the name of her father and also supported the name of the paternal grandfather as projected. She deposed that her year of birth is 1989, but she did not produce any birth certificate. So that is not a must, madam. That is not a must. So this is the, in my humble opinion, this is the mistake apparently on record. Birth certificate, school certificate is acceptable in law. Even, my lord, there is judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court that school certificate being a public document, because as per section 21 of the Indian Penal Code, my lord, there are 17 persons whose names are recorded as public servant. He is a salarized person. He receives a headmaster receives salary. So he is a public servant and he is responsible to the higher authorities. So headmaster is a public servant and he has issued the certificate. So public, that is a document, public document in view of section 74 of the Evidence Act. So section 74 of the Evidence Act says about the public document. Public document can be exhibited without producing the author of the document. Otherwise, voter list, we are exhibiting voter list. Now every electoral officer shall have to come to the court to say, yes, this is the signature I have put here. So what is the difference between public document and private document? Well, so far, the certificate issued by the Panchayat Secretary, that is a private document. That is a private document, and private document can be proved by adducing evidence. Now he has also adduced evidence. So we are not on that. We are mainly on the evidence of headmaster as well as father by father. As well me. Three evidence is essential, my lord. My personal evidence, evidence of my father. No, my lord, a person will dare that she is my daughter. Can any other person say that Rukia is my daughter? And if any third person comes and unnecessarily says, falsely says that she is my daughter, then she will face the consequences. And that is not their case. All of a sudden they can disbelieve that Kasim Ali is not your father. All of a sudden they say, no, this Jabbar Ali is not your grandfather. That is not the law. Otherwise, my lord, these people have no way to go from the classes of this foreigners allegation. Right?
Okay, proceed.
Yes, sir. Then, my lord, may I kindly say, para 8, my lord. I am reading the important points.
Let us read the whole para.
My lord,
Read from para 6.
para 6. No, that I have written that she did not produce any birth certificate, para 6. On 18/1, after 4 lines, kindly see. On 18/1/2017, the petitioner was re-examined, wherein she stated that she could not produce the school certificate earlier, and the same was produced on that date. Though her age in the year 2005 was shown as 18 years, but in fact she was 18 years of age at the relevant point of time. The exhibit E is of the year 1975, but overwritings were done in the year and also in the name of the purchaser of the land. So I am not so much giving importance on land document, because in land document, her name may be there or may not be there, because she was married at the age of 18. 7. Rakibul Islam is the secretary of Rajmita Gau Panchayat, deposed and proved the certificate he issued at exhibit E. In his evidence recorded, though the same is not marked in the original certificate on record, the said certificate was issued as per his deposition in order to link the petitioner to her projected father Kasim Ali. But in his cross-examination, he deposed that the exhibit E produced before the tribunal in the manner it is shown was not issued by him. There are manipulations in the said exhibit E in the name of Rukia Khatun on 4 counts. The said certificate was issued on the basis of an application by one Faisal Haq. My lord, my submission is this here. Whether certificate is genuine or not, the author is testifying that yes, I have issued the certificate. Now they are not expert body. There will be mistake. But the contents of the documents is that Rukia is the daughter of Kasim Ali, and she has been migrated to Kallanpur village after her marriage. So that should be taken into consideration. Whether there is serial number or there are overwritings, etc.
Whatever it is, let us see what is the area on the apparent on the face of reports.
Yes,
That's-
I will read the judgment of the learned tribunal also. On one Jahanuddin, headmaster of Takimari Shalakure LP school, also deposed that he knew the petitioner. And the certificate was issued by the earlier headmaster, and the admission register showing the name of petitioner in his custody. The learned member of the tribunal issued notice to the earlier headmaster, who issued the said certificate in the name of the petitioner. The said retired headmaster initially Poramanik, who was summoned as court witness, appeared and admitted the fact that he issued the certificate in the name of the petitioner. As per the school register, the petitioner is the daughter of Kasim Ali. In the cross-examination, the said retired headmaster deposed that at the time when the petitioner was admitted in the school, the name of one Aminul Islam was shown as the guardian. The said name of Aminul Islam was struck out and introduced the name of Kasim Ali at the time of certificate was issued. He was not aware of the name of the father of the petitioner at the time of admission. The projected father of the petitioner, Kasim Ali, also deposed as DW3, and he stated that petitioner is his daughter, and she was born about 27-28 years back from the date of deposition. He also deposed that name of the father is shown in the same paper as Abdul Jabbar and Jabbar Ali. He also stated that he is 14 number of brothers and sisters. So the father is also saying that she is my daughter. Now guardian's name, one is shown as guardian Aminul Islam. So guardian is father is a different thing. Lordship is aware. Many students from outside states come, research at Guwahati, they name the guardian's name.
Then why was it struck off in your father's name was written there?
No, it's struck off because when father entered in the scene, his name was struck and his own name has been entered.
Okay, proceed.
So then, my lord, here, as regards the linkage of the proceeding with her parents and grandparents, the proceeding has relied on the certificate issued by Secretary Panchayat, wherein apparently there is manipulation as per the witness examined by the proceeding. The school certificate is not exhibited, and after the evidence of the court witness, who is raises a serious doubt about the name of the father of the proceeding and gives a hint of unfair practice adopted by the then headmaster in collusion of the proceeding, becomes unreasonable to be accepted. My lord, here, the headmaster is clearly saying he got admitted. Now he says, after evidence the court raised, which raises serious doubt, what is the doubt? Why is the doubt? And at that time, I was hardly 5 or 6 years of age. Now the learned tribunal court is saying that what? That hint unfair practice adopted by the then headmaster in collusion of the proceeding. Proceeding means Rukia Khatun. And Rukia Khatun at that time is 5 or 6 years of old. So how the 5 and 6 years old boy or girl can make a conspiracy or make a, these are very not believable, my lord. What is this thing, my lord? How much evidence?
Sir, Mahmood, we are not going into whether the tribunal's opinion, this court's opinion is correct or not. What we want to see is if you are filing a review petition, show us what is apparent, error apparent on the face of the court.
For that, my
There's
lord,
no need to go into argument with regard to the tribunal's.
no,
opinion.
I have also brought some suggestion of the apex court.
That's fine.
If your lordship want that, I will first, then I will show.
First you read it.
Yes. Yes. Then 10, para 10. Mr. Mahmood Zadeh comes.
That is your submission.
Well,
10 and 11 are submissions.
Yeah.
That you can forget it.
10, 11, yes. Failed to appreciate the evidence The learned counsel submits the learned member failed to appreciate the evidence on record in its proper perspective. The Panchayat secretary proved the certificate.
No, no,
You should-
this is your submission.
Yes,
So you can skip this.
yes.
Come to
Then
para 12.
para 12. We have given due consideration to the submission of the learned counsel. The petitioner projected the names of paternal grandparents, and to that effect, she was successfully enough to bring on record consistent evidence in the form of voter list of 1966 and 70. The projected father Kasim Ali derived the linkage of the paternal grandparents of the petitioner, and to the effect, the voter list of 85 can also be accepted. It is the link the petitioner has to establish with her projected father Kasim Ali, who in turn derived the linkage from his parents. In order to establish the said link, the petitioner relied the certificate issued by Secretary of Rajvita Gaon Panchayat, the evidence of the headmaster of the school where she studied, and the evidence of her projected father. While doing so, the retired headmaster who issued the certificate, though the same was placed on record without exhibiting the same, in order to support the contents of the said certificate, the learned member of tribunal called the said retired headmaster. The deposition of the said retired headmaster shows that prior to issuance of the said certificate, the name of the guardian of the petitioner as per record was one Aminul Islam, which was struck out by entering the name of Kasim Ali in the admission register in the year 2000. This fact itself is damaging on the part of the petitioner and that of the projected father Kasim Ali, who deposed as DW3, supporting the claim that the petitioner as his daughter. My lord, here I am giving some explanation. My lord, in a family, suppose I am the father of the petitioner. I am totally an illiterate person. But my brother is illiterate person. I may ask him to go and get my daughter admitted in the school. So he will go, he will write his name as the guardian, not father. There is no dispute. That guardian never claimed that I am the father of the petitioner. Rather, he said I am the guardian. So this is common practice. Court should not discover a new practice all on a sudden. Long-standing practices followed by courts for years together, all on a sudden cannot be thrown out. This is the law of the land. If practice has to be changed, it should be changed through proper procedure of statutory provisions or by circular or delegated legislation. Nothing is there. All on a sudden you have changed. Here many, in my house also, some Arunachal students have got admitted. My name is written as the local guardian. So I am not writing as I am their father, I am guardian. But when the guardian would come, yes, at the time he was guardian, now I have come their father. So these are common practice. Then Lordship may kindly see page 13. How damaging? Where is the damage? That person guardian is not claiming that I am the father of Rukia Khatun. He says I am the guardian. And father comes, yes, father has come, so automatically his name is deleted. So what is the harm? Is there any damage? My husband said there is no damage at all. And moreover, what is the extent of proof? What is the extent of proof in foreigner's case? It is preponderance and probability. Not like a criminal case, the beyond reasonable doubt. Now kindly come to para 13, my lord. Section 60 of the Indian Evidence Act stipulates that the oral evidence must in all cases be direct. And if it refers to an opinion or to the grounds on which the opinion is held, it must be the evidence of the person who holds that opinion on those grounds. Here in the case in hand, the retired headmaster who supporting the fact that petitioner is the daughter of Kasim Ali himself admitted that as per the
Yes,
record.
Mahmood, there's no time today. We'll proceed later on some other day. Because there's a single bench sitting also. I'm not. But M.A. Mahmood, let me counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. J. Paying, the standing counsel. Please the matter for hearing again on when.
Their lawsuit is there, we have not.
Let it not be this week. This week, I'm. Okay, 21st.
Published.
Mr. Botaku, today there is no time at all. Should I release it from part, otherwise it's.
Since your lordship have substantially
You
heard
are
your-
getting prejudiced, I think.
No, your lordship may pick some other day, your lordship.
Not this week, because this week
Lordship,
there's some other works.
Lordship. Your lordship may fix it next week, your lordship. On 21.
Who's appearing petitioner, Saikia? But MSB Saikia, Leonard Counsel for petitioner. As well as Mr. Also heard MSRB Bora, Leonard Standing Council BTC. For the respondents 2 to 4. MS Tirang, H Tirangvi, then Standing Council Secretary Education Department. And yeah, that I have reported. And Mr. S. Botapul, Leonard Council for the respondent 5. Stop. List the matter for further hearing on. Give a date.
21st, your lord.
Okay, 21st.
Public. No.
My lord, here I did my argument, then my learned friend also gave his reply. I'm supposed to respond to that. My lord, only point taken was during the period when, my lord, I was appointed and for which mark was given towards experience, there was a ban period. So what, my lord? The doctrine of de facto doctrine will take care of that situation. I'm giving a very harsh example, my lord. Honorable Justice Paranjoti Phukan, he was never confirmed. So his order passed by him are gone. It will never go, my lord. That's not the legal position. Legal position is the de facto doctrine will save those orders. Supposing, my lord, a man is appointed illegally. He passes several orders. Several rights are created by virtue of the order. Subsequently, it is turned out that the appointment was illegal. These orders will not go, my lord. So that's my only argument of the learned friend, that during that period, there was a ban period. I'm relying on 2-3 small authorities. That's the only point, my lord. De facto doctrine is, in fact, my lord, developed in administrative law field.
Problem, Mr. Chowdhury,
My
and in general also. Issue is this week. I think you know the problem. After 2, I'm not sitting and just
Oh, there is some
interview.
interview.
And today there's just 10 minutes left.
Today is not.
Yeah. So this week, I'm not fixing any matters.
My lord, then have it in the first week, my lord. 3rd of October.
October.
Actually, from 28th, the Supreme Court Constitution bench is constituted, my lord, for the Assam matter. So from 18 onwards, I'll be there. So let it be in the first week, 3rd of October, my lord.
Okay. You are for the respondent. You are the applicant.
Respondent number 6.
Heard Mr. I. Chowdhury, then senior counsel. Assisted by S. Hazarika, then counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Who appears for the other sides? Higher education? Okay. Mr. P. Bharadwaj, Leonard Counsel for Respondents 3, 4, and 5. And Mr. K. N. Chowdhury, Leonard Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms.
And Mahanta.
N. Mahanda for respond number 6. Okay, and Mr. M. Sharma for respondent 7. List the matter. For further hearing. You want it in October?
3rd of October, my lord.
Okay.
Because our matter will start from 2-0, my lord.
Okay.
In that we will get only witness, and the following week, therefore, my lord, eventually 3rd of October to be on the safe side.
That's not a oh no, that's a hearing day. Okay.
Yes. Deputy.
Item number 1, your lordship will not take.
No, I don't have time today. So I fixed it on 21st,
21st.
next week.
Again, my lord,
Next week.
next week. I was in another court, my lord.
Otherwise, you want it released, I can release it.
Now again, your lordship will be sitting in division bench
Yes.
for whole month.
Yes.
I think that then that may be released, my lord.
Who is the other? who is
Otherwise,
the
my
support?
lord, you will not say, understand, I'm telling, he is also one of them. Dula Bura Nani. Or he to Rasa. I'll inform my lord. then. If your lordship is still sitting in the division bench, I think it is better to release the item, my lord. Before Puja vacation, it will be difficult, my lord. Because our lordship is already overburdened, I have seen in the division bench.
Who is Botakur? Can you just call him?
Yes,
Can
my
you
lord.
send
Yes,
someone?
Mr. Bhattakur. He'll be in division bench.
Lordship,
Otherwise, we want that only in
When will you reach?
September, no? 21 September.
21
Next
September,
September.
since your lordship have substantially heard it, your lordship. I have also advanced.
Day after tomorrow it will be possible, man. Day after
This
tomorrow.
week,
not-
your
not
lordship
this
does it. On
Division
21st,
bench.
your lordship. And it will not
Yes,
take
your
much
lordship,
time, your
no,
lordship. It is not.
If your
not a
lordship
very
take up,
big-
I have no objection, my lord, because
Okay, let's see
substantially.
if on 21st, if I can
Lords.
take up, I'll take up. If not, I'll release it.
Lords, deeply obliged.